Hello, my name is Piotr Kołbowicz. I am the CEO of seedia. In this episode, in this webinar, we'll go to the project website and to the product website. So if I see all of the list of the project I have here, let me go to any particular project site. So for example, I will go to the one I like very much, installation from the Hungary, the city of Nyírbátor. If you go here, you see all of the products you have in this project. Here we have two future benches. Two of them are active. This is the activation date of the bench, when it was placed, and also the localization of the bench. There is a summary of the project, so how much product do you have in the project, how much CO2 was reduced, how much energy was manufactured by the products, and average energy level of the products in this particular project. This is the key account manager. So for example, here this is the distributor from the Hungary. We have and if the final customer want to have the contact with the distributor, this is the data for the distributor. You can click on the map, and in the map you see these two benches localized in the project, which is very good, because if you want to find one of them or check the data for one of them, you can pick them from the map and not from the list. But let me get back to the list. These are two benches in here from the summary. There is the button to order more, so if the customer goes here and he wants to check some other options, then he can go to our website from panel seedia.city, which is very nice because he can check some other options, some other products from our offer. Let me get back to overview. Very important thing here is the support. If you go to the support, you see some general topics of frequently asked questions from our customers, from our distributors, which is very good to have here, because if you have any kind of problem, you firstly go here to check some answers. If you go to general, there is some general answer, but if you go to technical, how should the bench be situated to explore the maximum of its potential? And then you have the answer. So I highly recommend to go here, check the frequently asked questions in here, and if you don't find the answer, then send the email to seedia team so that we can help you. Let me go to the benches, and I will choose the first one from the list. Here in the product website, you can see the current battery level. You can see the estimated time of working for the bench or for any particular product. This is the value we calculate from average usage of the bench and current battery level. So for example, here when we have some users on the bench and we know how much energy they use and current battery level, which is something we see here, then we can estimate the time of working the bench for 6 days. Total number of charging on this bench for this one is 164. The name of the product, the small avatar, it can also be your picture if you send it to us, or if you want your distributor to upload it. Then we see the installation address, activation status. The older benches might not be active, but every new bench should be active in here. The activation date and the date of the warranty. The warranty might always be expanded. This is the functionalities. So the green ones are the functionalities that are already in the product, but if you want to upgrade it, then you can click for one of the functionalities, for example, and then if you click submit, the request goes to your key account manager. So here the roles got the message that I want the extra social Wi-Fi functionalities, and you can do the same with the rest of the functionalities. Also here you can click the button order more and go to our website to check other products. And the best part is the periodic chart. So on the chart you can see the energy that was generated by the bench and the energy that was consumed by the bench. So here you can see that during the night the LED lights turned on, and we consume much more energy than during the day. There is the statistics for these 3 last days. You can see the energy produced, energy consumed, CO2 reduced, and the charging of the mobile phones. Currently, we have the coronavirus, so there's not much charging in here. You can choose how much you want to see on the chart. For example, 7 days. You can go to last 30 days to see the status of the bench. So the charts might be also last month, for example. Yeah, you can see that the bench is working pretty nice and all the functionalities are in here. If you have some problem with the bench, then just click the button, report the problem, choose the category of the problem, like mechanical problem, and then put the description in here. For example, I have the problem with installation. Then you send it and it goes again to the key account manager so he can assist you. If you want to check this particular bench on the map, then go to map option and you can see it here. That's your bench. So that would be it for the product website and the project website. And in the next webinar, I will show you how to use multimedia functionalities. Thank you very much for today.